The dehumidifier is currently bare bones. I'm going to get you guys a start up with the compressor. And I'm going to have to do something that you should never, ever do. Is when I go to put the bucket on, I'm going to be holding the fan in place. Don't worry, I will be monitoring the temperature of it so it doesn't overheat and potentially go boom. Or just die. So, and I don't know what brand this thing is, but yeah. Alright, here we go. Listen to that, it's nearly silent. That does sound amazing, though. I pushed the thing down too hard. Okay. That thing does sound fantastic, though. I could listen to that all day. I think it is low on refrigerant, though. Ooh, look at that sunset. That's pretty neat. Okay, once more and only for a moment. Without the bucket this time. Listen to that, that's amazing. Okay, motor's starting to get hot, so I'm gonna let it go. It's gonna be pretty loud. I don't like that fan, it's too loud. That compressor sounds amazing. It's too bad the fan's so loud. Because that compressor sounds amazing. Yes, I am holding the button in because it's starting to frost up a bit for now, but eventually, you know, it'll stop doing that. I do need to run the fan for a moment though to cool shit down, and so I don't break the damn thing. Sorry for the language, by the way. It's an old habit that I'm kind of trying to get out of. The spin down's not too bad. it's getting real cold. All the way to the top. Both sides. Excellent piece of machinery. Quality that you will not get anymore. Wish I had an AC from this era, but I can't find any around here. And right now I'm unable to go anywhere where they do have them, and I can't afford any that are on the market at the moment. What's that? I'm almost certain that this thing's low on refrigerant, as you probably could hear. Okay, it's almost time to do that one more time, and then we'll stop. And then I'll stop the video. I just want to get it now that the pressure had gotten up a bit. I think the pressure is low enough now. So, here we go. As soon as the cars go by. It's too bad the fan's so damn loud. That compressor sounds fantastic. And it's so quiet too.